Hello everybody, welcome back to Channels of Machinery. In today's world of poultry farming, advancements in technology have revolutionized the way we raise and hatch chicks. The journey starts with the transfer of hundreds of thousands of chicken eggs to large-scale, high-tech incubators. These incubators are marvels of engineering, designed to replicate the exact environmental conditions necessary for successful incubation. Temperature, humidity, and airflow are all monitored and adjusted automatically to create a stable and nurturing environment for the developing embryos. One of the key features of these incubators is their ability to detect any eggs that do not meet specific standards. Using sensors and specialized software, the incubators constantly check the progress of the eggs. Eggs that fail to develop correctly are automatically identified and removed, ensuring that only viable eggs continue through the process. This not only reduces waste, but also increases the chances of a successful hatch, providing the farm with the strongest possible stock. As the incubation period progresses, the eggs that meet the required standards are moved seamlessly to a different section of the incubator. This stage is crucial because it ensures that the temperature, humidity, and other factors remain perfect for the final days of the chick's development. The day the chicks begin to break free from their eggshells is a momentous occasion on the farm. This process, known as pipping, marks the beginning of their life outside the egg. The incubators are equipped to assist in this process, maintaining the right conditions to prevent the chicks from becoming too exhausted or dehydrated during hatching. Once the chicks are fully hatched, they are gently transferred to the inspection area. This process, though automated, still requires the skill and attention of farm workers who are experts in handling newborn chicks. These skilled workers assess the health and condition of each chick, ensuring that only healthy birds are sent to the next phase of life on the farm. As the chicks are inspected and cleared, preparations on the farm are in full swing. A hectare-wide space is set up to receive the new arrivals, with everything optimized for their comfort and growth. The barn's floor is covered with clean litter, and the temperature is carefully regulated to match the needs of the newly hatched chicks, who are extremely sensitive to their environment. Ventilation is another critical factor at this stage. Modern farms use advanced ventilation systems to ensure that the air remains fresh and free from harmful pathogens. The system also helps to regulate humidity, preventing the chicks from overheating or becoming too cold. This careful management creates a comfortable and healthy environment where the chicks can thrive during their early weeks of life. Hundreds of thousands of chicks are now settling into their new home, where they are provided with ample food and water, ensuring they have the nutrition they need to grow strong and healthy. This phase is critical, as proper nutrition and a well-maintained environment contribute significantly to the chicks' overall development. Over the course of the first month, the chicks grow rapidly. They are carefully monitored by farm workers, who use technology to track their weight, health, and behavior. Automated feeding systems ensure that the chicks receive food at regular intervals, and any adjustments needed to optimize their growth are made in real time. During this period, the chicks develop a stronger immune system and begin to explore their environment more actively. They are no longer as fragile as they were during their first days, and the farm's management systems adjust accordingly. The temperature is gradually lowered as the chicks grow larger and better able to regulate their own body heat. As the chicks mature, keeping their environment clean becomes increasingly important. After the first month, farms employ advanced machines like the Frantomix litter regenerating system. This machine plays a crucial role in maintaining a hygienic living space for the chickens. As it moves through the barn, the Frantomix aerates the litter, mixing it well and drying it. This process helps reduce the buildup of harmful bacteria, ammonia, and moisture, which can affect the health of the birds if left unchecked. The Frantomix not only keeps the environment clean, but also helps reduce the amount of litter needed by recycling and refreshing the existing material. This is both an economical and environmentally friendly approach, contributing to the sustainability of the farming operation. After 2 months, the chicks have reached a size and weight suitable for harvesting. At this stage, they are no longer the tiny, fragile creatures they once were. These young chickens are now ready to be transported to processing plants, where they will be prepared for market. The journey from egg to fully grown chicken has been guided every step of the way by modern technology and expert care. From automated incubators that ensure the best possible start in life, to advanced litter management systems that maintain optimal living conditions, every aspect of the process is designed to promote efficiency, health, and sustainability. The pier system is a revolutionary method for catching and transporting broilers, utilizing cutting-edge automation to streamline the process. A key component of this system is the chicken catching machine, which features a hydraulic-operated collecting head and a conveyor belt that transfers broilers onto specialized shuttles. The operator knows the exact weight of the broilers being loaded, ensuring precise control. The system's trailer, equipped with 10 walking floors, gently transports the broilers without the need for manual handling, minimizing the risk of injury. The speed of the conveyor belt and walking floors are synchronized, enabling efficient loading. In just 1 hour, the trailer can hold up to 18,000 kilos of broilers, with the shuttle designed to enter any poultry house with ease. During transport, the broilers remain undisturbed, even during sudden stops, thanks to an ingenious ventilation system that ensures they remain comfortable over long distances. Once at the destination, the broilers are unloaded via a discharging unit, directly entering the slaughterhouse without the need for crates or cages, reducing the clutter of dirty containers. The trailer is then washed in a dedicated cleaning room, where all walking floors can be thoroughly cleaned and dried in just 1 hour using water treatment, hydraulic lifts, and ventilation. This efficient, reliable system ensures that broilers arrive safely and on time, ready for processing. Once the chickens are harvested, a crucial process begins to prepare the barn for its next cycle of poultry production: thorough cleaning and sanitization. This step is vital to maintaining a healthy environment for future flocks, reducing the risk of disease, and ensuring that the barn is clean, safe, and suitable for the arrival of new birds. The first step in the cleaning process involves the removal of all waste, including manure, bedding, and any leftover feed that may have accumulated during the chicken's stay. This material is often packed with organic matter, which can harbor harmful bacteria, parasites, and viruses. Workers typically begin by sweeping or scraping out the bulk of the waste, ensuring that every corner of the barn is cleared. Specialized equipment, such as manure scrapers and conveyor belts, may also be used to speed up the process, especially in larger operations. Once the visible waste has been removed, the barn undergoes a more detailed cleaning. High-pressure water hoses are often employed to wash down walls, floors, and other surfaces where dirt and debris have adhered. This step is essential in dislodging any stubborn matter that may not have been removed during the initial cleanup. In some cases, additional tools like brushes may be used to scrub areas that are particularly dirty or hard to reach. Following the physical cleaning, the barn must be disinfected to kill any remaining pathogens. Disinfection is usually carried out by spraying or fogging the barn with an approved disinfectant solution. This chemical treatment is designed to eliminate bacteria, fungi, and viruses that can pose a risk to the health of future flocks. The choice of disinfectant may depend on local regulations or specific biosecurity requirements of the operation. Some common disinfectants include quaternary ammonium compounds, peracetic acid, and formaldehyde. It is important that the entire barn, including feeding and watering systems, is thoroughly treated to prevent cross-contamination. Once the disinfection process is complete, the barn must be allowed to air out and dry completely. This ensures that the environment is not only sanitized but also comfortable for the incoming flock. With the barn now clean, hygienic, and ready, it becomes a safe haven for the next generation of poultry, setting the stage for another successful production cycle. In modern chicken processing plants, the slaughter line efficiently handles hundreds of thousands of chickens using advanced technology to ensure food safety and quality. After feathers are removed, the chickens proceed to the evisceration line, where internal organs are extracted and a high-powered vacuum thoroughly cleans the birds. Automation dominates this process due to the uniformity in size and health of today's chickens, ensuring speed and precision. At this stage, the birds undergo two types of inspections. In a traditional system, USDA inspectors, assisted by trained plant personnel, examine each bird for defects like broken wings, bruises, or feathers that affect quality but not safety. These inspectors may collaborate with plant employees to remove any such defects. In contrast, under a modernized system, one USDA inspector is stationed at the end of the evisceration line to inspect each bird after evisceration and cleaning. This shift allows the USDA inspector to focus on broader food safety tasks, such as testing for bacteria like Salmonella, while company personnel handle cosmetic quality control. Following the inspections, the birds are washed thoroughly inside and out to remove any loose materials. Another employee checks for any remaining defects that might have been overlooked. In the modernized system, a USDA inspector remains at the end of the line, maintaining the authority to halt production if any safety or quality issues are detected. This thorough approach ensures that each bird meets the rigorous safety standards required by the USDA. After inspection, each chicken undergoes a final rinse before moving to the chilling stage. At this point, the birds are either cut into parts, deboned, or packaged whole for distribution. Every step, from evisceration to packaging, is carefully documented and verified by both company personnel and USDA officials. The entire process, whether following the traditional or modernized inspection system, is designed to meet or exceed USDA safety standards. This ensures that only high-quality, safe chicken products make it to consumers' plates.